Hi guys, and welcome back to Tips and Pips, and today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. However, before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group where I share market analysis, research and trading signals and entries. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen, and also the link is in the description of this video, and like I mentioned, it is completely free to join my Telegram group, so feel free to give it a go. Okay, so moving back on to crude oil, price is currently at $88.71. And you know, we're kind of getting a bit of a bearish candle in today's open. Plenty of hours left though. I'm expecting a nice bounce off of our 50-day EMA, you know, taking us up to our 200-day EMA. We was just shy off of that by less than $1 on Friday, and we saw a very bullish session on Thursday and Friday. And this is all due to the fact we had the CPI reporting, and also we had the crypto, the cryptocurrencies and the crypto market absolutely tanking, which is not good for investors. Investors like volatility, but not too much volatility when it can't be. It's less regulated and less controlled, and that's currently the place where crypto is. So a lot of investors have withdrawn money from crypto, and that's obviously continuing this plummeting surge, and investors are investing money in the likes of crude oil, gold, Nasdaq, other stocks and other raw materials. But we're going to be looking at the crude oil today, and that is what we saw on Friday. We saw a nice pump on Friday, which is taking us just above our 50-day EMA. As we look at the technicals, we have broken out of this nice downward trend channel. We had a nice retest. We did consolidate slightly, and we have seen a slight rally, and we have formed a slight level of structure and resistance here. So for myself, I'm looking at short-term long opportunities, go and test our 200-day and potentially go test our previous level of structure where we achieve that double top. For shorting, again, once we hit this this double top, if we get a nice bearish candle, I'll be looking for a shorting opportunity. Overall though, guys, I am bullish on gold. With the fundamentals I mentioned previously, this week here, middle/end of October, where we had this massive amount of consolidation, was where we had news about Saudi Arabia and Russia announcing they're going to be pumping less barrels of fuel. As we know, Aramco is one of the largest. It's a $2 trillion company, which is a Saudi Arabian main crude oil provider. They have announced that also, and they agree with that, which is obviously given by the Prince of Saudi Arabia. So this is massive for the crude oil market. So in my opinion, I am quite bullish on crude oil. And also we do have the winter coming in Europe, which we know there is an energy crisis, and crude oil obviously provides energy. So for myself, I am bullish long term on crude oil. I'd expect it to, I'd be ambitious to say that it's going to hit around $95 again, potentially up to 100, and that's me being very bullish and very optimistic. But at the moment, I see price currently bouncing around where it is. But the real push for a nice bullish signal would be a breakout of our level of structure, a retest, and then off we go. And once we're beyond this level of $93 for me, I think we can then push on a lot higher.